Okay, just a quick example of a discriminant question now from the text on page 38. So example 19 asks us, use the discriminant to determine the number and nature of the solutions of 10x squared minus 9x minus 7. So first we want to identify our a, b and c values. So a equals 10, b equals negative 9, and c equals negative 7. Remember the negative signs, don't forget them. And so our discriminant equals b squared minus 4ac, apart from under the square root sign in the quadratic formula. Sub our values in. It's always good to write them in brackets so you can see where you're subbing them in. It's a bit easier to read what you're doing as well. Okay, so we have negative 9 squared is 81, and then 4 times 10 is 40, and 40 times 7 is 280. One negative here, two negatives multiplied together gives us positive, so plus 280. And then we have 81 plus 280 is 361. Now, if you can't remember the various results for a discriminant, whether it's less than 0, what that means, equal to 0, what that means, etc., you can work it out. So we've got that our discriminant is 361. Let's work out what this means. So, start with the quadratic formula, equals negative b plus or minus the square root of our discriminant over 2a. Now, if our discriminant were 0, it would get rid of the plus or minus part there. So you just have negative b over 2a, meaning one solution. Our discriminant is not 0, so it's got two solutions. If our discriminant were a negative, you would have a square root of a negative, meaning no real solutions. And we've got a positive integer here, so we're going to have two real solutions in this case. So two real solutions because we're adding 306 square root of 361 and taking away square root of 361. So two real solutions. Now, are they rational or irrational? Well, you can type square root 361 into your calculator and you'll find out it equals 19. So we have a perfect square, which means you'll have integer here plus another integer, 19 over 2a. It's going to be a rational number. Your square root sign's gone. It's no longer irrational. So, perfect square and delta, the discriminant is greater than 0. Therefore, there are two rational solutions. And that's it.